sapagkat nagkampi-kampi yung mga elitistang mangbabatas at yan nga ho ay nanakawin. Kita rito, lantaran, pati ang pangalawang Pangulo ay nanakawin nila. Pati yung mandato ng 32 milyon, kaya paulit-ulit ho ako 32 milyong Pilipino ninanakawan ng 300 mambabatas. Huwag ho tayong pumayag. Mag-ingay kayo, and I agree also with this statement given by Vice President Inday Sara Duterte during her press briefing this morning.
I, Sara Zimmerman Duterte,
do solemnly swear that I will faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as Vice President of the Philippines. Preserve and defend its Constitution. Execute its laws. Do justice to every man. And consecrate myself. To the service of the nation. So help me God. Congratulations and all the best, Vice President.
Pag may nauna, you have to first deal with the first three. I-dispose ninyo ng maayos. Wala pa akong pandinig Hindi pa dinidinig if it is sufficient in form and substance. Nauna po yung fourth complaint. Hindi pa, sa aking pananaw bilang abogado, illegal po yung ginawang proseso. Sapagkat nauna yung complaint 1, 2, and 3 in terms of the date stamped on it and in terms of the time that it was received. Kailangan first things first, unahin muna yung complaint 1, 2, 3 bago yung 4. Pero alam naman natin nanakawin nila yung pangalawang Pangulo kay Vice President Inday Sara Duterte. Nanakawin ng 300 elitistang mangbabatas ang mandato ng 32 milyong Pilipino. Nanakawin po nila yan. Hindi lang pera natin ang ninanakaw nila, pati po ang posisyon ng pangalawang Pangulo.